Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to fix high ping in Apex Legends and improve your connection. First, check your server. On the main menu, look at the bottom of the screen and click on Data Center. Choose the server with the lowest ping and packet loss. This alone can make a huge difference. Next, use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. Wired connections are more stable and reduce lag. Close any background apps that use the internet like downloads, streaming, or cloud service. Restart your router and modem to refresh your connection. If you're on PC, make sure no VPN is running since VPNs can increase your ping. You can also try flushing your DNS, updating your network drivers, and allowing Apex Legends through your firewall. And finally, avoid playing during peak hours if your internet is slow, because congestions can increase ping. Once you're done, launch Apex Legends and test your ping in a match. And that's it. That is how to fix high ping in Apex Legends.